Hi children, welcome back to the online class of Sri Gokulam Public School Guruvayur. I am Swati, your IT teacher. Children, hope you all are fine and safe. Yes children, we are moving on to the last topics of chapter 4. Okay? In our previous classes, we have learned different features of Microsoft Excel. So today we can learn about the selection tools in Excel and also about how to copy and move data in Microsoft Excel. Okay children. So the first is about the selection tools, which includes how can we select a cell, then how can we select a data inside that cell, then how to select adjacent cells and how to select non-adjacent cells. So what do you mean by adjacent children? Yes, adjacent cells means the cells which are next to each other. Okay? And non-adjacent cells means the cells that are not next to each other. And also about how to select adjacent rows or columns and non-adjacent rows or columns. Okay, so let's see how can we do that. Children, this is the worksheet that we have made. So let's see how can we select a single cell. Okay, so first click on the any cell to select it. So I have clicked on maths so that the cell will be selected and you can see the outline. And if you want to select data in that cell, double click in this cell so that you can see the cursor will appear. Okay, and drag the cursor with the mouse to select that data just like this. Okay, so that the data is selected and you can erase it or you can change it to another name. Children, let's see now how can we select adjacent cells. So adjacent cells means cells which are next to each other. So see, click the starting cell and then drag the blue highlight to select all the cells in that range. Okay, so that this is how you can select the adjacent cells. And then select non-adjacent cells. So here you can see I have selected maths and 20 that are not next to each other. How? Click on one cell and then press Ctrl key to select more cells just like this. See? Yes, I have selected more than one cell and that are also non-adjacent. Okay, just like this using Ctrl key. Next is how to select adjacent and non-adjacent rows or columns. Let's see how can we select adjacent rows or columns. Okay. Yes. Click on the row numbers or column name plus shift key. Along with that you have to press the shift key. Then use the arrow keys to select adjacent rows or columns just like this. Okay children. Then if you want to select non-adjacent rows or columns, what you have to do? Yes, click on the row numbers or column names plus control key. And then you can click on any non-adjacent row or column to select it. Okay. Children, here you can see I have selected two non-adjacent columns. Okay. So while you are selecting non-adjacent rows or columns, control key is used, and for selecting adjacent rows or columns, shift key is used. So do it and learn it so it will be more clear to you. Next topic is copying and moving data. Children, do you know what is the difference between copying and moving? Yes, copying means we are just copying the particular data to a different location. That means there is no changes happening to that data. But while moving, we are copying the same data into another location, but the thing is that it gets removed from its original location. Okay, so when you see it, you will understand it more. Okay, so let's see how can we copy and move data. So here we are going to copy a single cell. Okay, so select the cell. Then here you can see cut, copy and paste option. So from that select the copy feature. Okay, then select the cell where you want to paste and click on the paste option. Okay, so that yes, maths is pasted there. Okay, now if you want to copy a group of cells, okay, select that range of cells just like this. Yes, drag that blue highlight. Then click on the copy option. Then select the location where you want to paste it and then select the paste option. Okay, see, I have pasted the cells. Okay, now if you want to move the contents of a single cell, what you have to do? Yes, I will show you. First, select the cell. Then click on the cut option. Okay. Then select the cell where you want to paste it. Then click on paste option. Yes, English is pasted there. Okay. So it is removed from its original location and it is pasted into the another location. Now if you want to select more than one cell, select that group of cells. Then use that cut option and select the desired location and paste it just like this. So this is how you can move the contents of more than one cell. Okay children? Yes. So here you can see the data is removed from its original location while moving. Okay, so for moving we use cut feature. And while copying, you can see here, yes, the data is not removed. We are just copying the data. Okay, and for copying we use copy feature. Okay, yes, and I hope it is clear to you now. Children, we have completed our fourth chapter, Introduction to Microsoft Excel 2010. We have learned about different features of Excel. Children, try to prepare a mark sheet with marks scored in your term 2 examination. Okay children, and try to include those features in it. Also download the notes attached along with this class and learn it well. So that's all for today children. Let's see in the next class with a new chapter. Till then, bye.